Good morning. I just decided to start my day with some yoga, and the sun is in my face and I'm absolutely loving it. Spring is finally here. I just love this feeling. And I've just set my room is fairly small, like it's quite small, but it's more than enough for myself. It perfectly fits one person, and I love that there's like a sun window in my room. These are my views. I just wake up to the most beautiful like sunrise, and I can't wait because soon I'll have like roses blooming outside my window. How amazing is this? Like the sun rays are falling right onto my floor and my yoga mat fits perfectly inside it. This is our view. Clear blue sunny skies, and that I think a bird shat outside a window, and it's been like that since winter. Like none of us have tried to like clean it, but I think it should stay there because it seems like good luck. Hello everybody. So अभी दोपहर के 1:30 बज रहे हैं, एंड सिंस आज मेरी छुट्टी है तो मैंने सोचा कि एक आफ्टरनून वॉक पे जाना चाहिए मुझे, बिकॉज जिस दिन मैं काम पे नहीं होती हूँ उस दिन मेरे स्टेप्स कंप्लीट नहीं होते हैं, एंड आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू फॉल आउट ऑफ द हैबिट ऑफ वॉकिंग रेगुलरली. इसलिए मैंने सोचा है चलो वॉक पे चलते हैं. एंड अब तो वेदर भी बहुत बेरेबल हो गया, अब बड़ी लाइक आसानी से बाहर वॉक किया जा सकता है. हवा चल रही है, हवा ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ी ठंडी होती है, बट कोई नहीं, एटलीस्ट इट्स ब्राइट एंड सनी आउटसाइड. एंड बस हैंड क्रीम लगा लेती हूँ. आई पुट माई मॉइस्चराइज़र, माई सनस्क्रीन एंड माई लिप बाम ऑन, एंड आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग माई हैंड क्रीम, क्योंकि हवा में ना थोड़ी चिल होती है तो उसकी वजह से हाथ वगैरह बड़े फट जाते हैं यहाँ पे, और काफ़ी ड्राई एंड फ्लेकी हो जाते हैं हाथ, तो इसलिए जस्ट दैट एक्स्ट्रा प्रोटेक्शन. आई एम जस्ट थिंकिंग कि क्या मुझे मेरे चश्मे पहनने चाहिए या अपने लेंसेज पहन लूँ, क्योंकि लेंसेज पहन के काफ़ी ईजी हो जाती है यार. लाइक तुम्हारी विजन में कोई ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन नहीं रहती, और इट्स जस्ट मच मोर ईजियर. लेट्स सी व्हाट वेयर माय लेंसेज नाउ. ओके, लेट्स हेड आउट एंड चलो.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass Bray.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time.
That was something. That was epic. So I haven't completed my step target for the day yet. I think I must have been at like 8,500, 600 steps so far, but in another 15-20 minutes I'm actually heading out to get myself some groceries, so I think I'll cover my 10k steps by then. And I'm just gonna chill for a bit. I've just come home to like let myself relax a bit, and I'll leave in another 20 minutes. That's why I'm not even like removing my shoes yet. I'm just like just sitting in the pain that I had from my walk this afternoon. So cute.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
I'm here with my wait, I need to turn it around. I'm here with my come on, focus. Yeah. I'm here with my bharta ganush. That's what this is, and I'm so excited to try it. And I'm having it with some dahi, pita bread, which I have toasted. Let me dig in. This is so good. This is so good. Oh my god. This is so yummy. That's the thing. Like when you prioritize yourself, your health, and just taking care of yourself, everything, like things just stop seeming like a chore. फिर अपने आप ही ऐसा लगने लग जाता है कि यार ये तो लाइफ का एक पार्ट है. अपने आप को अच्छे से खाना खिलाना, अच्छे से अपने लिए प्लेट सेट करना. I was a very average cook, normal, but now I love serving myself food the way I would serve food to a guest. I know some people do this कि they will not use utensils, जिस बर्तन में खाना बनाया उसी बर्तन से they will eat. I think you are like degrading yourself. Like this is completely my opinion कि आप अपने आप को उस तरीके का प्यार नहीं दिखा रहे हो जिस तरीके का प्यार आप किसी और को दिखाओगे, या किसी और के लिए आप टेबल सेट करते हो, उनको अच्छे से खाना परोसते हो, उसी तरीके से आपको अपने लिए भी वही सेम चीज़ करनी चाहिए. एंड नाउ आई शुड जस्ट शट अप एंड एंजॉय माई मील. दिस इज़ सो गुड. Kudos Adi. And let me have some plain dahi with, of course, a little bit of dhania. So refreshing. So guys, I'm ready to rock and roll. I mean, I'm ready to hit the bed now. I just got done with my skincare and applying some lip balm now. और इसके बाद मैं बस अपनी ग्रैटिट्यूड जर्नल में ग्रैटिट्यूड के कुछ चंद शब्द लिखूँगी. और रात को मुझे अनवाइंड करना पसंद है. आई लिसन टू सम नाइस meditative music. I try to chant, I try to do my affirmations and just do my gratitude journaling. That's basically, oh yes, and I also did brush my teeth. And I've just gotten into the habit of like this ritual, like nighttime ritual, is so sacred to me. Like I just love doing this, and I have figured out कि ये सब चीज़ें करने से मुझे बहुत अच्छी नींद आती है, and I find it easy to fall asleep. So that was a day in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will try to keep up with making more videos. However, I'm not going to like hustle, and I'm not about that. I'm a very chill pill sort of a person. I'm not going to pressure myself into like making content and trying to be interesting for you guys. I'm naturally quite interesting, and this is what the vibe is going to be on this channel, low key. But thank you so much if you stuck around, and I hope you guys come back soon and you miss your new favorite face on the internet. So thank you, good night, take care, good vibes coming your way.